Bengal, as I said, particularly worried because of Durga Puja that starts tomorrow. The Kolkata High Court yesterday declared Puja Pandals as no entry zones for visitors. Delhi too is putting clampdowns on Durga Puja organizers. Now 400 top Durga Puja organizers in Kolkata have asked the High Court to review its order. Here's a report from Indraneel and Manokia.
Puja will be there, and it's a puja of heart to heart. There was Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee long back. She announced that all puja committees should maintain all sort of mandatory guidelines of sanitization.
Durga Puja organizers in Kolkata claim they are in shock after the Calcutta High Court order, which has declared Durga Puja pandals in the city as no entry zones for visitors. The order came as fear grows about an explosion in coronavirus infection numbers following the festival. The Calcutta High Court, hearing a public interest litigation on the issue of Durga Pujas being allowed in West Bengal during COVID-19 pandemic, observed that the police does not have enough resources to control the crowd if people descend on the streets. But over 400 organizers have collectively now approached the court to review its order.
কোনো প্যান্ডেলে কোনো লোক ঢুকবে না। আমরা ম্যাক্সিমাম পুজো কমিটির কিছু ছেলেকে নাম লিস্টিং করে তারাকে দিয়েছি, তারাই শুধু প্যান্ডেলে থাকবে, পুজোটাকে মেইনটেইন করার জন্য। পরিচয়পত্র থাকবে, সদস্যপদ থাকবে, 10 জন কি 12 জন ম্যাক্সিমাম, তার উপরে নয়। আর বাকি আমরা টোটাল প্যান্ডেলে সদস্যবৃন্দরাও যাতে না ঢোকে সে ব্যবস্থা করে রেখেছি।
The pandal is here, the Durga idol is inside, it's an open structure, people can view it from outside. However, people will not be allowed inside the premises of the pandal, which would generally happen during normal Durga Puja in earlier years.
The people are out on the street and they remain hopeful that some semblance of the puja festivities will happen despite the threat of corona.
Things normal right now. So basically what we all people are missing is the recreation, the enjoyment which we people used to do.
We are coming to the pandal. We will maintain social distancing. Already you can see that rings are already drawn, so we'll maintain that distance. So in every aspect it is different.
West Bengal has recorded over 3,25,000 cases and there are over 34,000 active cases. In the last 24 hours, the state reported close to 4,000 fresh cases. So the fears over a spike are not unfounded.
So those are the images coming in from Kolkata, but it's not just Kolkata. Remember, across the country at the moment, this is festive season. There's Navratras taking place in Gujarat. There are puja pandals being set up in Delhi. You've got markets where people are going out slowly to shop. And of course, the Ram Leela preparations are on in the national capital. So clearly at the moment, this is a time for the festivities. And let's take a look at the big numbers. While this is happening, total cases in the country now have crossed the 75 lakh mark. They are approaching 76 lakhs. Active cases are 7,48,538. Recoveries have gone up steadily. As you can see, the numbers 67 lakhs 33,328 recoveries. The fatality rate is 1.51%. 1,15,000 people have died. It's the recovery rate that has steadily climbed up, which is giving the government some kind of hope. But the fear, of course, is could there be a second wave? Which is why I want to ask a few questions at the moment. How can we stay safe in festive season?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.